everyone. So I was looking at the some of the videos about the I Love China rallies that were held in Vancouver and Toronto, and they were talking about how they're proud to be Chinese and they are defending the Chinese government with the treatment of Tibet and the monks. And I just want to say that I am proud to be Chinese as well, but I believe that Tibet has the right to decide on their own sovereignty. I'm not saying that they have the right to separate independently, but shutting people down and committing violence using your army to shut down dissent is totally anti-democratic, and I don't care how people feel like they're being patriotic and they're saying they're proud to be Chinese or proud to be American. If the government is doing something that's against democracy and against people voicing their opinions, then there's nothing to be proud of. I don't care if you're Chinese or not. So just want to say that it's stupid for anyone to think that just because you're proud to be Chinese then you have to be proud of the actions of the Chinese government. That's dumb. First of all, China is not even a democratic state. If anything, the Chinese government is a disgrace to Chinese. And if you're really a proud Chinese person, you would stand up for the people of Tibet to make their own decision with regard to their country's destiny. There's no such thing as Chinese owning anyone or any part of their country and calling it their own full forces. There's no such thing like that, and I don't believe in that. A strong country is a country that is democratic and listen to the voice of the people and allow people to disagree with the government, and that's what I think. And I think the Olympics should be boycotted, and people shouldn't support that if they're refusing to recognize the voices of Tibetans. So that's all.